So to enter the BIOS, you need to go to Start menu and then click on this power button and go to restarting your PC. And after it restarts, it's usually, you see for me it's here, press delete to enter setup. I'm gonna go to, you have to find like something like section like boot, and then you will see like something like boot option. It's not for same PC, it's, you have to see for yourself on your own PC how it's, but it's usually on boot category. And then here on optional you have to put to be the first one, so USB, this one. So your USB is on priority on number 1, not number 2, number 3, but number 1. So let's make it number 1, and go exit here and save changes and exit, and after that it will boot from USB.